The halving.
Halving will change the crypto.
Good for the holders, but it's not necessarily good for the miners.
Some companies are either bulking up for scale.
Today we're talking about the top 5 crypto coins you need to have on your radar before the next Bitcoin halving event in 2024. If you're into crypto, you know the Bitcoin halving is a big deal that only happens once every 4 years. It halts the block reward for Bitcoin miners, reducing the supply of new Bitcoins entering circulation. Historically, this has kicked off major bull runs in the crypto markets in the months following each halving. The next halving is estimated to occur around the 20th of April 2024. So now is the time to start positioning your portfolio to take advantage of the potential price surges. We've researched and identified 5 high-potential altcoins that could deliver huge returns. These are serious projects with strong fundamentals and innovative tech, not your typical overhyped meme coins. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest crypto insights and analysis, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's dive in. Alephium. First up is a relatively unknown gem called Alephium. ALPH is the native token of a unique blockchain platform focused on making dApps and DeFi more accessible and efficient. What sets Alephium apart is its novel block flow algorithm that enables highly scalable sharding and cross-shard transactions. With Ethereum gas fees still sky-high, developers and users are hungry for more affordable alternatives, and Alephium is well-positioned to capture some of that demand. The team has a strong technical background, with the co-founders having worked on Bitcoin Core and other major projects. Alephium is also backed by reputable VCs like Alchemy Capital and Archery Blockchain. ALPH has a current market cap of around $200 million, giving it plenty of room for growth. The project is still in its early stages but has been making steady progress. The mainnet launched in 2023, and the team is now focused on building out the ecosystem and attracting developers. If Alephium can gain traction, ALPH could see massive gains in the coming months. Kaspa. Next on the list is Kas, a fascinating new pure proof-of-work blockchain that is laser-focused on extreme scalability. Kaspa utilizes the innovative GHOSTDAG protocol, which allows for block times of only 1 second and up to 5,000 transactions per second. Compare that to Bitcoin's 10-minute block times and 7 TPS. The implications are huge. Kaspa could potentially scale to support global payment volumes on par with giants like Visa while preserving the decentralization and security of proof-of-work. This is a major breakthrough, as most other scalable blockchains like Solana compromise on decentralization. KAS, the native currency of Kaspa, has seen a major price surge recently as the project gains traction. It currently has a market cap of $2.58 billion. As more investors wake up to Kaspa's potential, KAS could continue its parabolic ascent. The Kaspa team is highly experienced, with backgrounds in Bitcoin and Ethereum development. They have a clear vision and roadmap focused on scaling to millions of daily users. With the current crypto bull market heating up, Kaspa is definitely one to keep on your radar. Radix XRD. Radix is another massively scalable DLT protocol, but takes a different approach than Kaspa. Rather than optimizing proof of work, Radix uses a breakthrough consensus mechanism called Cerberus that is more energy efficient. Cerberus is designed to scale linearly with the number of nodes, theoretically supporting nearly unlimited TPS. Radix has also innovated at the application layer with a new smart contract language called Scrypto that is more secure and accessible to mainstream developers. Scrypto is based on the popular Rust programming language and allows developers to easily build complex DeFi applications without worrying about many of the pitfalls that have plagued Solidity smart contracts. If Radix can deliver on its ambitious vision, it has the potential to become the go-to platform for DeFi, asset tokenization, NFTs, and more. XRD, the native token, currently has a market cap of around $558 million, leaving plenty of upside potential. The team is world-class, with experience from top tech companies, and they are executing methodically on their roadmap. Keep a close eye on Radix. Qubic. Qubic is a sleeper pick that is still flying under the radar of most crypto investors. It's a novel quantum-resistant blockchain that utilizes a post-quantum signature scheme to secure transactions against the potential threat of quantum computers in the future. Most blockchains, including Bitcoin, are vulnerable to quantum attacks, which could break their cryptography. While quantum computers powerful enough to pose a threat are likely still years away, Qubic is getting out ahead of this risk and future-proofing their chain. Additionally, Qubic uses a unique proof of capacity consensus that allows users to mine Qubic by sharing their hard drive space. This is much more energy efficient than proof of work and lowers the barriers to entry for mining. With a market cap of around $500 million, Qubic offers significant upside potential as quantum computing concerns mount. The Qubic team is lean but highly technical, with backgrounds in cryptography and computer science. They are taking a first principles approach and building with a long-term vision. As more investors start to consider the quantum threat, Qubic could see a major influx of interest. What's exciting about Qubic is its potential to become the go-to blockchain for enterprises and governments that require the highest level of security. With its quantum-resistant cryptography, Qubic could capture a significant share of this market as awareness of the quantum threat grows. The team is also working on some interesting features like smart contract functionality and cross-chain interoperability. These could open up even more use cases and help drive the adoption of Qubic. Overall, Qubic is a highly underrated project that is tackling one of the biggest long-term threats to cryptocurrency. It's a high-risk, high-reward play, but one that could pay off massively if Qubic establishes itself as the leading quantum-resistant blockchain. Bittensor, Tau. Last but not least is Bittensor, a fascinating project building a value-centric blockchain. Bittensor aims to hard-code human values and collective intelligence directly into its consensus protocol to promote the greater good and disincentivize malicious behavior. For example, Bittensor validators have to stake a token called goodwill that they earn through positive contributions to the network and wider community. Validators can lose their staked goodwill for misbehavior. It's a bold experiment in aligning blockchain incentives with real-world reputation and merit. Tau is the native currency required for transactions and smart contracts on the Bittensor network. With a strong community and partnerships with values-aligned organizations, Bittensor could tap into the growing appetite for more ethical and purpose-driven crypto assets. The Bittensor team comes from diverse backgrounds including philosophy, game theory, and computer science. They are taking a thoughtful approach and have published detailed white papers outlining their novel consensus model and tokenomics. Tau currently has a market cap of about $3.1 billion. As more people wake up to the need for blockchains that encode pro-social values, Bittensor could be a major beneficiary. This one is a bit higher risk, but has the potential for outsized returns if it catches on. What's particularly compelling about Bittensor is its potential to create a more collaborative and cooperative ecosystem in the often cutthroat world of crypto. By rewarding positive contributions and punishing bad actors, Bittensor could foster a community that works together towards common goals rather than just competing for profits. The team has also hinted at some exciting future developments, such as a decentralized AI marketplace where Tau can be used to access and train AI models. With AI becoming increasingly important, this could be a major driver of demand for Tau. Of course, Bittensor is still a highly experimental project, and there are risks that the incentive model could fail or be gamed. But if it succeeds, Bittensor could pioneer a new model for blockchain governance and usher in a new era of more ethical and cooperative crypto networks. Remember, these are all high-risk, high-reward plays. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your research. Crypto is still a highly speculative and volatile space, but if you believe in the transformative potential of blockchain technology like we do, these projects are worth taking a serious look at. They each bring something unique to the table and are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with crypto. The halving is a rare catalyst that could mint the next generation of crypto millionaires, just like it did in previous cycles. Will you be among them? What do you think about our list? Are you investing in any of these coins? Let us know in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more Crypto Alpha. Until next time, keep stacking those sats.